These are 18 teeth Lambretta front sprockets. This is I received from DP Singh, New Delhi. This is from Professional Couriers. These are Guru Vikram parts, pivot pins, cull parts, clutch belts and many more, pinions and many more, and ball bearings, needle, case bearing, rims and many more. These are the new ones. You can have a look. The 18 tooth will look like this. The material is very nice and the finishing is also fantastic. These parts will be supplied to the Europe also. A nice and fantastic finishing. Let us count the teeth starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. The finishing is also very nice. A smooth finish. This is the informational video. This is 15 tooth. See, the life of this is over. I removed this from the old scrapper Lambretta, original Lambretta. See how you can differentiate. See, when the teeth become sharp, it will look like this. The life of this sprocket is over. See, you can check the teeth of this. Material is, see, little bit flat here, lot of life. That means it has a lot of life. Whereas when you check this, see, all are sharp. By this you will come to know whether the sprocket is having life or not, or whether it is new or old one. You can easily make out. This is also 15 teeth. See, here also you can check, all have become sharp. The lubrication must be accurate, otherwise whatever may be the material, the sprockets will go off. So please keep in mind, the lubrication must be in top condition. There is no excuse in the lubrication of your vehicle. If lubrication lacks, everything will fail. So please remember this point, it is very important. I removed some old parts from the Lambretta. All these are old parts. And I have many more parts. Actually, I disassembled one engine. In the next video, we will see 17 teeth and 19 teeth front sprockets of Lambretta. The sprocket will be made of steel, hardened steel for longevity. I can feel the weight. It is looking small, but it is having good weight. For general information, it is not required. So you can compare with the old one. You can have a look. Already the readings are like this, and you can compare with the old one. There is no difference exact. So for fitment there is no problem. Why? Because whenever you purchase the parts, it is better to check the dimensions. So you have to change the chain also for this. I have the chain. I will put a video of the chain also. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again